Big music.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Kym Smalls, and this is the first day of Vlogmas. Now I'm a little late or I'm a little early. Who knows when I'm gonna get this edited? But we're getting ready to go to my company's office party, my job's holiday party. So we're just gonna do some makeup and I'm gonna take you along for the night. So right now I already have my brows did. If you know, you know, brows are sisters, not twins. They're not exactly alike. So I went ahead and primed my face with the infamous e.l.f. primer. I personally am a eye makeup first and then foundation because I don't really want to deal with a lot of fallout. For some of it, we're going to use my Ari Fletcher Remedy Beauty. So I'm gonna go in with that color Obsessed, and I'm just going to put it on the lid like I said. I don't really plan on doing nothing really fancy. I only have, it's 15 minutes to 6. The party starts at 6, but I plan on leaving here at 6:30, so I at least can have like an hour to socialize. Really, I need to leave here at 6, but maybe 6:15 because my outfit's out. My hair is basically done, and I really don't feel like doing a whole lot. So, and this is my first time doing makeup in a really long time. So I'm gonna just try to keep it like basic as possible. So I'm just gonna go in with the brown. You can see it has cute little payoff. I'm gonna put this over it so I don't mess it up. I'm going into this palette. It's really old. It's by BH Cosmetics. Are they still a thing? I don't know. But I'm gonna just go in with a light hand so it won't be so. And I'm gonna put black eyeliner on, so I don't really care about anything. So Ari has this color called Diamonds, and I'm just gonna go in and put that on top. Yeah, because diamonds are like silver, right? And it's actually mixing very well, and it's surprisingly very pigmented. Listen, that's cute. And then I'm gonna put a liner over it, so that's pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna take a brush and kind of just like buff these two in together with this color called Irresistible, because it's kind of like lighter. I didn't want it to be too dark, but it's cool. I kind of like it. I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna go into Diamonds one more time and just really just pack that on there. So it kind of goes. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so that's that. And now I'm gonna go in and do a wing. Now, I gotta focus on this, so I'm not gonna talk, and we're gonna speed through this because I got 20 minutes. Okay. The other side, the opposite side of a wing is always hard. Okay, so that is done. So we're gonna take a quick break because I stick my finger in my dog's mouth because she was chewing on something, so I'll be right back. Hands are clean. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna use my Mario foundation because I bought this when I was going to California to get my dog, and I've never really used it. So hopefully it works. I know a little goes a long way. So and I'm not gonna take my foundation all the way up to my eye, just because I'm gonna put concealer under there, and there's no reason for me to really do that if I'm putting concealer under my eyes, you know? And I'm gonna go over it with a dry sponge, just to soak up some of that shininess, because I'm already prone to have oily skin. So, alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Sephora. I also bought this before I went to go get my dog. Best Skin Ever Glow in color 55. And I'm just gonna like do this with it and down my nose. That's a lot. Right here and above my lip. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of a lighter shade, Deep Olive. I'm gonna go in with Suede. With these, you gotta be careful, because if you don't use them in a while, they kind of be watery. But she's cute. She's not that much lighter, but she is something. So there's that. I'm gonna use this real quick. This is a get ready with me. This is not a tutorial. Like, I need to be in the gym. Like, look, I have a double chin now. So I remember the first year I went, I was so tiny. Like, I was like 140. Now I'm like almost 200 pounds. Like, I have definitely gained some weight at this job. And, you know, you guys see me working out. I don't work out consistently. That's why also I'm not seeing a lot of results. But it is what it is. So now that all of these are on, I've been hearing the girls do blush. This is the only blush I have. And they take it and they put it up here. So I'm gonna do that. And then they blend it in with the concealer. So I'm gonna set my face now with this stuff. It's really popular. It's a setting spray. So I'm gonna set my face, then I'm gonna blend it out, and then I'm gonna set it with powder, if it wants to work. So I just took the spray off with some of my eyeshadow set. So this will help my lash blend more into my real lashes. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm going to blend out my contour. You can't really tell. And I'm just gonna go up and around, up and around. So I'm gonna cover this with bronzer. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pack. I'm gonna go in and just pat over it with a dry sponge. I learned with this way, with a dry sponge, the makeup doesn't get as soaked up as it usually would when you do it with a wet sponge. I want to put another layer of concealer, like, I don't know, I just want it to be a little bit brighter. I'm going with a deep chestnut, and I'm gonna just clip that right here. One more time. Okay. So that's that. Now I'm gonna go in with my powders. This is my Huda Beauty and Peach. My alarm is gonna go off in 6 minutes, and that means I have 10 minutes to leave the house and feed my dog. All right. So now I'm going to take my powder puff. I'm gonna like brush and pat, brush and pat. Right. And honestly, all right, so now that that's done, it's time to work on putting the lashes. So what I like to do is put the glue on my lash line first and then the lashes. So actually I'm going to put the lash glue on the lashes first and then my lash line. I'm gonna let that dry real quick and then put the lashes on after I add some bronzer. I really need to be leaving my house now, guys. Now it's time to brush that powder off that we just did. Just brush it off. And I'm actually gonna take these out because I'm gonna take this out so we can. All we gotta do is get dressed after this. Oh, she's coming to life though. She's coming to life. All right, let's put these lashes on. All right, so it's 6:15. That looks good. That looks good. This is a wing eye and a 2016 eyeshadow. I can never stop. Now, this eye be giving me problems and I'm using my hand. So, yeah. I'm eating. All right. So I'm just gonna press them together with my fingers. No! I'm eating. Alright. Now we're done. We're basically done. We're going to bronze our face. Give her a little bit of bronze. Give her a little bit more color. My face literally feels like I have stuff on it. Cause I gotta get dressed and leave this house. So. Cause I wanted to be there at least by 7. But I left work early and I'm still running late. Like that's what I'm saying. Like, see, even my lights are telling me it's time to go. So now it's time to get dressed. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll come back. Guys, so this is the fit. And I think it came out cute. I wish I had a necklace to go like right down here. But it's cute. And I'm gonna wear my cheetah print coat. So let me show you the coat real quick. But I gotta go. It's 6:30. I gotta go. I'm about to go. So yeah. Later. I'll see you guys when I get there. Say hi to my vlog. Hey vlog, how you doing?
Hey guys, welcome to the Team G-Work party. It's ending, but I'm still trying to finish this. Are we in your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. I'm putting it in there. I just forgot to vlog the food. It is Willow's birthday. She's the queen. It's the birthday queen. Period. Get her. This is a treat. I forgot to get the food, you guys, but it had food here. It had more than the fruit plate. And then it has like an open bar. It's very nice, very cutesy, very demure. But we're about to go to the after party, so we'll see you later. The bathroom in here is so nice. It's so blue.
There are tampons in the stalls.
And the like where you throw them away is full. And look, I don't know if they
Canteen, they have name brands. First of all.
oh wait, and then they have a basket of tampons and pads neatly placed. They used to have their name on the oh
Hello?
I didn't even know. Toothpicks.
That's genius.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's
Sorry. Yeah, here.
I don't need it, but we're gonna put it in the Fit Chanel-y. And then I'm gonna show you guys the best part of this bathroom.
Everyone's literally in our age group. So it's like,
You're fine. It's in here. So it's like as soon as you walk through this door, it's the mirror. It's so cute. And then they have this chair for couch. Alright, so we're taking shots. So we're taking shots. Willow's birthday! You gotta tap that. So I'm ending the night at home. And this is my little doggy. I had a good time. I hope you guys like this episode of Vlogmas. Or 12 Days of Christmas. But yeah, later. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, bye.